Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so today Yusuf Nawalbana will do interview for you. Okay, the first question is tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Yusuf Nawalbana. I'm currently an 11th grade software engineer at Eden Boarding School Solo. I'm really into building website and apps. Lately, I have been doing a lot of coding. For example, I built a website and app for the Salahuddin Library to handle their books and loan. When I'm not doing school project, I also like making a simple website, games using React and Tailwind just to challenge myself. Basically, I love turning ideas into the real application. And my main goal right now is become a solid full stack developer.
Okay, the next question. What interests you about this role?
What really interests me about this role is the chance to step out of my school project and working on the real problem solved. I've been spent a lot of time building this thing on my own, like a full system for the Salahuddin library using tools like React and Laravel. But doing it in real team as a full stack developer is a whole different challenge. I'm super excited to push my coding skill further, learning how a real tech team operates and actually contribute to making a good product.
Okay, the next question is what are your greatest strengths?
I'd say my greatest strengths are adaptability and problem solving, both in coding and in real life. Technically, I'm a fast learner. I'm fast learner. I don't just stick to one tool. I can jump between a React, Laravel, or Flutter depending on what the project needs. But beyond that, I have a strong drive to figure things out. For example, during a school program in Lombok recently, I had to find short-term work to fund my daily needs and trip to back to Solo. That experience really taught me how to stay calm under pressure and find solutions creatively. I bring that same resilient mindset when I'm debugging coding or building an app.
Okay, the fourth question. What are your greatest weakness?
Okay, my greatest weakness is probably that I get easily excited by the new technologies and want to learn everything that at once. Because I love exploring, I sometimes jump between learning React, Flutter, and even a game development. While it's a great building a board skill set, I realize it cannot sometimes split my focus and slow down my main work. To fix this, I've started prioritizing better. For the example, when I was building the Salahuddin library system, I forced myself to stick strictly to required tech stack until the project was 100% finished before playing around the new framework.
Okay, the fifth question. Why do you want to work in this company?
I want to work here because I'm looking for a place where I can totally grow from a student into a professional developer, full stack developer. I've building full system like the Salahuddin library and some game webs on my own. But I know that working as a company will give you the chance to work on real world application. I really want to be. I really want to learn how the team collaborates. Applying my coding skill in React or Laravel and contributes to product that people actually use.
Okay, and the sixth question. How do you handle stress and pressure?
I handle stress by stepping back and breaking the problem into smaller pieces. If I'm stressed because of a tricky bug in my code, I was building my React game or fixing an API in Laravel, starting at the screen doesn't help. I usually take a break, short break, clear my head, and the solution often comes when I look it out at fresh. For the bigger real life pressure, I focus on what I can control. Like when I was in Lombok for a school program and had to define short-term work just to fund my trip back to Solo. I didn't panic. I just focused on finding solution day by day, and I used this exact same mindset to handle thick deadlines in my development project.
And the seventh question, what is your greatest achievement?
Okay, my greatest achievement, I would say my greatest for building the complete digital system Salahuddin Library from UI into the code. As a high school student, creating both a website and application that handle real user registration and book learning system was a hard technology jump for me. I actually present this exact project for my final competition test recently. Finishing it proved to me that I can take a complex idea and turn into a full working product, not just following basic decoding tutorial.
Okay, the eighth question, why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I bring great mix on hand and on and coding skill and a massive drive to learn. Even though I'm still studying, I don't just study theory. I actually build a real project, whether it's setting up a back end with Laravel, creating user interface with React, or exploring mobile apps with Flutter. I know I still have room to grow in a professional setting, but I'm ready to work incredibly hard. If you bring me into the team, you're creating someone who is adaptable, energetic, and completely focused on contributing to your project from day one.
Okay, ninth question, what mistake did you ever make while learning or working?
One of the biggest mistakes I can make when I first started learning full stack developer was jumping straight into the coding without a planning. For example, I was trying to build a early project connecting a React front end to a back end. I didn't design it database properly. Halfway through, the APIs got completely messed up, and I had to rewrite a lot of code. It was frustrating, but I thought me and Huck listen now before I type and code. Like when I build Salahuddin library system, I always map out the database and system architecture first, is save so much time in the end.
Okay, the tenth question is, what is the last thing that you teach to yourself?
The last thing taught myself was a game development using HTML5, Canvas, and the Godot engine. Since my since my main focus is usually on web and app development, I want to be challenge my programming logic in a completely different way. I learned how to handle game loops and rendering, and I even built simple tower defense and casual style games. It was really fun, and surprisingly, figuring out game mechanic actually made me overall JavaScript and problem solving skill much sharper for my regular web project.
What are your greatest strengths?
Okay, my greatest strength, I think, to be adaptable and problem solving skill, both in coding and in our real life. Technically, I'm a fast learner. I don't just stick to one tool. I can jump between React, Laravel, Flutter, Express, Monstack, and then a lot of tools. But beyond that, I have a strong drive to figure things out. For example, I did a school program to Lombok recently. I had to find shotgun work to fund my daily needs and my trip to back into the solo. That experience really taught me how to stay calm in the under pressure situation and find solution creatively for the work. I bring that the same resilient mindset when I'm debugging code or building an app.
Okay, uh, what are your greatest weakness?
My My greatest talent is probably get easily excited by a new technology. I want to learn everything at once. I love exploring. I sometimes jump learning React, Flutter, even game development. While it's good building for a skill set, I realize it can be split my focus and slow down my main work. To treat this, I have started prioritizing better. For example, I was building the Salabu library. I forced myself to stick strictly to the required tech stack until the project was 100% finished before the playing around with the next or the other frameworks.
Okay, Yusuf Rahman, do you have any question for us?
Certainly, has I have a great question and I'm really eager to learn and contribute to the team. I'd love to know what does a typical day look like for an intern or junior software developer out here, and there are specific framework or tool I should focus on prepare before I join this company.
Okay, for a junior developer or intern here, typically they usually start with a short morning meeting. We call it a stand up, where everyone shares with what they are working on for the day. After that, you will be paired with a senior developer who will mentor you. You will spend most of your time writing code, fixing bugs, and helping us build new features for our project. Okay, maybe this all my question. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.